If you're new to Property Preservation Wizard, or PPW, this video will provide a quick overview of the platform and show you how work orders move through the system from assignment to completion. PPW is a web-based work order and vendor management solution that helps organizations manage properties, contractors, inspections, bids, photos, invoices, and reporting from a single platform. Users access PPW through a web browser and log in using their assigned credentials. Depending on their role, users may see different information. For example, contractors only see work assigned to them, while administrators can view and manage all work orders within the organization. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Work Orders page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see order statuses that help track where work is in the process. Common statuses include unassigned, in-field, and ready for office. To help manage large volumes of work, PPW provides both basic and advanced filtering options. You can filter work orders by status, contractor, client, address, and many other criteria. You can even save your filters for a quick access later. PPW supports several methods for bringing work into the system. Work orders can be created manually, imported from spreadsheets, or automatically imported from connected clients and systems. Once work orders are in PPW, they can be assigned to contractors, tracked throughout the field process, and reviewed when returned to the office. The Actions menu also allows users to perform bulk updates, such as assigning contractors, updating due dates, adding notes, or routing multiple orders at once. Each work order serves as a central location for managing the job. Users can review property details, communicate through job notes, review bids, manage photos, and monitor invoice activity. Photos, check-in information, and communication history help provide visibility into when work was completed and what occurred at the property. This information helps ensure accurate documentation and improves accountability throughout the work order lifecycle. Once work is completed, PPW allows contractors to submit invoices and enables organizations to return completed results back to clients. Reporting tools help reconcile payments, monitor accounts payable and receivable, and identify underpaid or overpaid invoices. These reporting capabilities help organizations maintain visibility into operational and financial performance. PPW helps streamline work order management by bringing vendors, clients, communications, documentation, and reporting together in one platform. Did you like this video and want to learn more? We offer a variety of training options. Just click the link in the description to find out more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more expert tips each week.